How to find Friendmojies on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Friendmojies on Snapchat. To do so, ensure that you have latest version of Snapchat application installed on your device. For that, you can go to the Play Store of your device and search for Snapchat there. If you find the update button, you can simply update the application, and once you update the application, now open your application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here you will need to create or customize your Bitmoji avatar by tapping on the Bitmoji in the settings. If you have already linked your Bitmoji, now you can simply select a chat with a friend who also has a Bitmoji linked to their Snapchat account. Once you open the chat page, in the chat, here tap on the emoji icon at the bottom right corner. Here scroll through the stickers to find Friendmojis, which feature both your Bitmoji and your friend's Bitmoji in a single sticker. If you don't see any Friendmojis immediately, you can scroll down or tap on this Bitmoji icon to view more options. Once you find it, you can simply tap on any Friendmoji sticker to send it in the chat. So by following these steps, you can easily find Friendmojis on Snapchat. Also note that both you and your friend must have linked your Bitmoji accounts to Snapchat for Friendmojis to appear. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.